Hi, I'm Chris from John's Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Slow or clogged kitchen drains are a common issue. The main reason kitchen drains back up is all the stuff people cram down them, thinking that the garbage disposal will take care of it. Although a garbage disposal is designed to grind up kitchen waste, they are not designed to handle every type of food. Here are the 4 food groups you should never put down your sink. First, avoid putting peels from starchy vegetables like potatoes or carrots down your drain. Also, stringy vegetables like celery can cause issues. They tend to bind together and will disrupt the operation of your garbage disposal. Toss them in the garbage can instead. Second, don't put new or used coffee grounds or tea leaves into your garbage disposal. They tend to collect in the drain trap right here, causing it to clog and back up. Coffee grounds and tea leaves should go straight into the garbage can. Third, starchy foods like pasta, rice, or raw flour can lead to stubborn clogs. Toss those in the trash. And finally, even if you don't have a garbage disposal, never put fat, grease, or oil down any drain. When they cool, they congeal, clogging up the drain and lead to issues further inside your pipes. Instead, let it cool until it's more solid, and then scrape it into your garbage can. Here's a few more tips to help avoid garbage disposal backups. After running your garbage disposal, keep the water running for 15 to 30 seconds after you turn it off. This will help flush any remaining food waste. And here's another tip. If your sink is draining slow, pour a cup of baking soda down your drain. Follow it up with a cup of vinegar. This will cause a chemical reaction, and you may see it bubble up. That's a good sign that it's working. Let it set for a couple of minutes and then run your hot water for 1 to 3 minutes. That should get your sink running smoothly. If it doesn't, or the clog keeps coming back, give us a call and we'll get you taken care of.